Ribbiz Ocean Lounge opened recently in downtown Kingston. We caught up with co-owner Ribby to hear more about the new spot.
Let me welcome you and your team, Pree Dis, to downtown Kingston on the Victoria Pier. When we decided to come downtown, I thought it was phenomenal in terms of the vision of downtown. And it was like a deja vu when I started Cactus. Remember when you used to come? Everybody said, why Portmore? It's the same reason here they are saying when we informed our friends that we were coming downtown Kingston, and they said, why downtown Kingston? And I said, it's a vision that me and my partners have, and we know it will be a success because the government of Jamaica has plans for downtown Kingston, and you have to get yourself in place for the growth of downtown Kingston. We've been open like a month now, and the feedback been so phenomenal. The support is overwhelming. From midday every day to midnight. Friday, Saturday, we're open until midday, until 2 a.m. And if you're still here at 2 a.m., we will continue to be open. The front is awesome. The food at Ribbiz Ocean is awesome. Such a wide variety here. They just have to come, experience, and enjoy.
How do you consistently do this?
You just have to enjoy what you do, you know. You have to definitely enjoy what you do, and the love of people, having people around you, and making sure that their experiences, every time they come, it's an experience that they enjoy and would want to come back again and again. Every business that I build and see, my high point is seeing my customers enjoy themselves. It's a high to me, just to see my customers coming, drinking, eating, having a fabulous time, to come back again, to have another fabulous time.
One reason why we need to come to Ribbiz downtown on the waterfront.
The greatest experience right now in downtown Kingston.
So nice we had to do it twice. Here are more performances from the recently held Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival.
Push on your belly, someone show. Yeah. Push your belly. I hold it like you want to hold it too. That is it. What on it? That's your mom. Her daughter's mommy. Hold it like you want to hold it. Yeah.
After the break, we head on over to Barbados. We recap the career of Patra and so much more. Don't move. We are watching Pree Dis.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice.
Uh-oh.
Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.
The sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get you when me have to do today. My friend them pan the corner, me I link them up, we gonna ride up, so go look around me say. I ride cool, me say. I play cool, me say. I stay cool, me say. I drink cool, me say. My friend them Billy split them when I cool them, drink it in them when I cool for life. I cool for life.